Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ubersuggest for backlink audits, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Ubersuggest. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the Ubersuggest homepage loads, locate the login button. The login button is typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Then, type your password in the second field. Make sure to check for any typos to avoid login issues. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Backlinks option in the menu. Click on Backlinks to access the Backlink Audit section. Enter the domain you want to analyze in the search bar provided. Click the search button to initiate the backlink audit. Wait a moment for Ubersuggest to process your request. Once the analysis is complete, review the results displayed on the screen. You can now explore various metrics related to backlinks. Take notes on any insights that you find valuable for your audit. If needed, you can export the data for further analysis. That concludes your guide on how to log into Ubersuggest for backlink audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.